copper sheets on the table, shining like a dawn. Every cut and curve remembers where his hands have gone. With steady heat and patience, he binds a fire and ore, building vessels for the spirit, legends at their core. He's the master of the flame, with the solder in his hand, drawing silver rivers only he can understand. Every line is perfect, every seam is strong. He's been writing history in metal all along. Workshop hums in silence, except the torch's breath. He coaxes life from copper, defying time and death. No crown upon his forehead, no banner where he stands, just a simple rod of solder burning bright within his hands. He's the master of the flame, with the solder in his hand, drawing silver rivers only he can understand. Every line is perfect, every seam is strong. He's been writing history in metal all along. And when the stills all sing, dripping hearts of fire, you can hear the echo of his one true desire. Not for wealth or glory,